Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn step-by-step writing techniques for BI Penulisan Section C. Step-by-step writing techniques BI Penulisan Section C. Step 1. Read the instructions. For example, write a story based on the pictures below. You may use the words given to help you. Write your answer in the space provided. Write your story between 80 to 100 words. Make sure you understand the instruction. After you read and understand the instruction, you study the picture by labeling. Picture 1. Look at the picture carefully. There are 5 words given: teacher, pupils, prepare, sandwiches, eager. I have labeled the picture in number 1, teacher, 2, pupils, 3, bread, 4, cucumber, 5, a can of sardines, 6, salt, pepper, mayonnaise. I have also added 2 more words: to prepare, were eager. Step 2. Underline the verbs. Then, identify the verbs whether they are in simple present tense or simple past tense. You can also add any word that describes the picture. Picture 2. There are 5 words given: ingredients, sliced, minced, mayonnaise, bread. I have labeled the picture number 7, sliced, minced, 8, mixed, 9, spread. The word sliced and minced I have underlined to indicate that the words are in past tense. So, we are going to write our story in past tense. Picture 3. There are 5 words given: oven, few minutes, ready, served, and delicious. I have labeled the picture 10, served 11, 8. And I have already added a few words: bake in the oven. Then, when we want to start writing, we can use the SVOP table. S refers to subject or people or whatever that we want to talk about. V refers to verb. When we look at the picture, we ask ourselves what he or she is doing. O, object, or P, place, used to complete the sentence. Let's look at picture 1 and the table below. There are 2 sentences for picture 1. The teacher taught the pupils to prepare sandwiches. The pupils were eager to learn. Pay attention to the word in red color: to prepare, to learn. When you use the word to, you cannot add ed, died, or ing to the verb. So, the verb should be in root word. Picture 2. There are a few sentences for picture 2. Let's look at the first sentence. There were a few ingredients. Let's look at the word ingredients. Here we can elaborate. What are the ingredients used to make sandwiches? There were a few ingredients, such as cucumber, a can of sardines, bread, salt, pepper, and mayonnaise. Let's look at the next sentences for picture number 2. A girl sliced the cucumber and minced the sardine. The girl probably did 2 works at the same time. The other girl mixed the sardines with some mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. The other girl spread some butter onto the bread. Picture 3. They baked in the oven for a few minutes. The sandwiches were ready. They served the sandwiches. The pupils and the teacher ate the delicious sandwiches. When you join all the sentences together, it becomes like this. There are 69 words, which is not enough. You need to write 80 to 100 words. So what should you do? Step 4. To make the essay interesting, we need to add introduction, linkers, and closure. We can also add adverbs, adjectives, or elaborate. We can also put name to the character in the pictures if no name is given. Then your essay should be like this. Look at the blue colored words. Those words are introductions, linkers, and closures. Last week, Salina, the English teacher, taught the pupils of 5D to prepare sandwiches. The pupils were eager to learn. The teacher gave instructions to them. Jaslina sliced the cucumber and minced the sardines. Sally mixed the sardines with some mayonnaise, salt, and pepper, while Sabrina spread some butter onto the bread smoothly. Then they baked in the oven for a few minutes. After that, when the sandwiches were ready, they served the sandwiches on the fancy plates. They also decorated the sandwiches with some tomatoes and lettuce. Finally, the pupils and the teacher ate the delicious sandwiches. They were on cloud 9 as the teacher praised them. So you can compare both essays, which is more interesting. I'm sure the last one is more interesting to read, right? The end. Practice makes perfect. That's all for today. I hope that you will get benefits from today's lesson. Don't forget to practice writing. Bye!